Friends, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can restore the phone icon on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to this channel. Also be sure to put your likes, write your comments, and let us get started with you friends. So, as you can see, I have now on my iPhone where I don't have a phone icon or phone app on my work screen. You may also, if you had this problem, you may not be able to find it. You may have accidentally deleted it, or you may have once deleted it on purpose so that it wouldn't bother you and now you would like to get it back. So how do you do it? First of all, friends, you will need to swipe down on the screen from top to bottom. Now in the search box, type in the word phone and now tap on this app. When it appears at the top, tap and hold. Swipe down and then like this, as you can see, without putting your finger down, you can move it to where you want it on any part of the screen. Then stop it where you want it, and to save your changes, just click on the empty box. And as you can see, right away the phone icon is already added. This is the way, friends, you can easily restore the phone icon on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under this video. Write comments. Bye-bye.